It's Leo here, and I returned from the dragon's den, where I slayed the beast, and I retrieved the loot crate. So it's that time of the month again. It's Loot Crate unboxing. Let's see what epic loot we get this month. And this month's theme, a dragon. As we get right into this and open the box, and let's see what we got. The beast himself. He was no easy foe, but I slayed him nevertheless. Ah yes, a screen cleaner. This will be good for keeping the windows of my castle clean. And this, I shall crush it like I crushed the skulls of my enemies. And a badge so everybody can see my accomplishment. Some dog tags I should proudly display so everybody can know my name, Dragon Slayer. And nothing better than the feast on the enemy's remains. That's a mighty beast himself. And now let's get right into this. What did we get here today? Ah yes, my faithful companion. We got the dice of power. What mighty powers behold thee. And last but not least, a miniature model of myself in my full armor. That is right. I be a mightiest warrior of them all. Thank you for tuning in for this month's Loot Crate. If you want, like and subscribe so I don't pillage in your town. Go right ahead and click that button, or else your village might be on fire next time. That is all for this month.